Bury my soul underneath the ground. Let my blood keep pumping, my heart keep beating, shining like a chandelier. Whoa.
What's a song if it don't have words? What's a word if it don't get heard? You can paint it any way that you like, but how can you get the picture if it come out blurred? What life taught me can't be unlearned, and every bridge can't be unburned. You can't wait till you get your turn, like you're trying to make it home but you're still on third. Look, your whole life need a renovation. Let me give you a demonstration. No limitations, no intimidations. I'm trying to live good, that's an understatement. They say life's about choices. In the face of defeat, I decline. Put your soul into everything, never back down. That's how you leave a legacy behind.
Hold me